Once the king of tortoise was invited to the wedding of God Jupitor, but the tortoise king was very lazy and he liked to stay at home. So he did not attend the marriage. God Jupiter was very angry and he cursed the tortoise king to carry him home forever from the on the tortoise carry their home when wherever they go. Once there was a tortoise in a big pond. Many swans also lived in the pond. The tortoise and the swans, they were good friends. The tortoise liked the fight of the swan. He wished to go up in the air and see the world, the ponds, and the tree around it from above, but he had no way out. One day the tortoise said the swan that he had an idea to see the world from above. He would catch the middle of the strong stick and they would grab both the sides of the stick and fly into the air. The swans agreed. Thus the tortoise was flying in the air. The tortoise was delighted to be high on the hills and was enjoying the flight. Then a crow came flying from the other direction and said to the tortoise, "Are you the king to fly like that?" The tortoise became proud and tried to answer the crow, "Yes, I am," but the moment he opened his mouth, he fell on the rocks and turned into pieces.